Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time visiting this channel, click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified as soon as possible. So this is the midweek market outlook. So you look at what has happened in the previous days and what is yet to come in the subsequent days as far as the current week is concerned. And today being Wednesday was the release of the CPI, and the CPI came below expectation. All right, so that means we have seen some percentage reduction in inflation. All right, so going forward, we're going to see how the market is going to react, and that is going to play a very key role in the next rate decision from the Fed, as well as the next FOMC. What do you expect to hear from the Fed chair? So let's see what happens. All right. So let's start with the dollar index. So the dollar index, just as you can see, market opened on Sunday, and then on Monday you saw price moving to the upside. All right. And right after that you saw price moving to the downside, and price has been on the downside till now. And at the moment, price is closer to the previous weekly low. All right. When price moves to the upside, it feels what to get to the previous week's high. But at the moment, price is closer to the previous week's low. So I'm expecting price to take out the previous week's low. Then we see a little bit of retracement, which I'm expecting that to happen Thursday and Friday. All right. So we had bearish momentum throughout the week. So I'm expecting a reversal to happen right after the previous weekly low has been taken. I'm not expecting this high to be taken this week, because I mean the week has almost ended. We just have Thursday and Friday, so I just want to see price taking out this low, then we see a reversal to the upside. All right, maybe filling this liquidity where we are seeing here and clearing these buy side liquidities. So that is my expectation on the dollar index. Let's talk about what has happened on the USD card. So for USD card, we took some trade on Tuesday, right? Tuesday. So right after price taking out the previous weekly high, my focus turned to the previous weekly low. So we took a trade here, and my target was the previous week low, but we had to move our SL. I moved my SL together with my community. We moved our SL to in profit. All right. So today's CPI just came up to take us out of the market, but in profit. Then looking at how market was so messy here, it wouldn't have been an interesting price action to even be in. All right. Market was very messy here before we saw a little bit of a move to the downside. And so going into Thursday and Friday, I'm going to look at how price is going to react. All right. If it happens that you break this low, then definitely you're going to see market taking out the previous weekly low. Right. So this low, I'll look at how price will react within this area. Then we see what is going to happen. So that is just that for USD card. Let's go what has happened AUD/USD. For AUD/USD, the higher time frame, that is the daily time frame, is looking bearish. All right. So my stance on AUD/USD still remains a bearish move. All right. So just as you can see, price is currently above April's opening price. And once above the opening price, that means you're in a premium zone. All right. And look at that, the price action here, right after price taking out the buy side liquidity here. All right. The next liquidity I'm targeting is the sell side. All right. So right after this impulse, we saw price moving to the downside. It took out the sell side liquidity we are seeing here. Then we saw. So I'm seeing this as a retracement. I'm expecting price to push to the downside, take out all these buy side liquidity. So at the moment, I want to see a bearish move on AUD/USD. The only time my bias is going to change on an intraday basis is if price is able to take out this high. right? Once price is able to take out this higher, definitely I want to see price continuing to the upside. And looking at what happened here, price took out the previous weekly low, right? Of course, on a normal circumstance, I should have would be looking for buys, but I wanted to see a lower swing high form, sorry, a swing low, all right, a higher swing low here. I want to see a higher swing low, but looking at what happened here, this is not a swing low for me. All right, I saw this to be a sell side liquidity that can be tapped into very easily, so I didn't even make any attempt to even enter a buy. All right, yeah, so I just have to allow price to fly away, because what I'm seeing here was an exposed sell side liquidity, and I don't trade in an exposed sell side liquidity. That is, I don't trade and then place my stop loss at an exposed, very exposed sell side liquidity. I don't do that. All right, I just have to allow trade to fly without me, and it's normal. All right, yeah. So from here, I want to see price push to the downside. If price takes out this high, then definitely my my bearish stance will change. The extent that price will want to take out this high. That is, if price is able to take out this high. So that is my expectation on AUD/USD. The market really haven't done so much this week. Yes, the price action I'm seeing this week isn't really a good one for me. Yeah, so I'm not really expecting so much the rest of the days. I'm just looking at how price is going to react as far as my rule-based concept is concerned. Yeah, so that is just that for AUD/USD. Let's look at GBP/JPY. So for GBP/JPY, we saw price taking out the previous week's high, right? So as usual, once price takes out the previous week high, my focus turns out to be the previous week low. And so once price took out the previous week's high, as soon as this bearish candle printed here, I was expecting to see price move to the downside, right? Yes, and so I took a sell together with my community, and look at what happened. Price just moved to this zone, and we saw a reversal to the upside, taking out this high. All right, so literally it took us out of the trade. Yes, it took us out of the trade. So at the moment, price is still a little bit above the previous week's high. All right, yes, I'm still expecting a bearish move though. I'm still expecting a bearish move, but I'll look at how price will react. All right, this low here and then this high here, that is the current range in which price is at the moment. So I'll wait. If I'm looking for sell, that means I'll have to wait for price to take out this low. All right, give us a lower swing high, then we see price moving to the downside. So this is what I'm waiting to see on GBP/JPY before I enter for sales. But if price takes out this high, then definitely you're going to see price continue to move to the upside. But I'm really expecting a bearish move, because we've had several days of bullish price action. All right, yes, we've had several days of bullish price action. So on the higher time frame, price is bullish. All right, we've taken out the previous high. All right, yes, an old high. And so if we are going to continue to move to the upside, I want to see a higher swing low being formed within this zone. So that is basically the reason why I'm looking for sales in the lower time frames. Yeah, so I'll be looking out to see how price is going to react within this range. All right, yes, so that is just that on GBP/JPY. Yeah, so going into the next days, so far as this video is concerned, that is how I'm looking into the market. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button and then smash the notification bell. If you're not part of my Telegram community, check the link in the description box below. The link is there. Click on it and be part of the Clairvoyant Trader Telegram community. I hope this has been insightful. I wish you all good luck and